Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and yesterday I made quite a few videos on this right here. So if we wanted to duplicate it over, as I said yesterday, it'd be a lot easier with your hairlines. And we will group this, Control G. And the best way to duplicate this is to measure what we need to duplicate. So we're going to take our 2-point line and we're going to go from there to there, and it's 10 inches. And you notice I've started with four of these blocks. So we're going to change our nudge factor to 10. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it over 10 inches. And you could do it as many as you wanted. Now the hardest part is to move them down, but since I've started with 4, there's actually a straight line between them. Let's take the parallel dimension tool to make sure you're on the node to the node, and we're 8.6 inches. Let's go ahead and delete that. Let's change our nudge factor to 8.66. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it down, and you can make as many as you want. Now, as I said yesterday, it was easier to do it with hairlines, but we don't want those lines. So we're going to go and ungroup everything. And now the hairlines are separated. We're going to go to Edit, Find and Replace. Now this is a little bit different in 19, but it's actually, I think, easier in 18. But we're going to go down and find Outline and Outline Properties. We want it to find the width less than 0.1. I don't really know what a hairline is. It's actually really, really thin, but the black lines are a lot thicker than 0.1. We're going to say OK, and we're going to ask it to find all. It's going to take just a second because there's a lot of line, and then hit the delete key. Now you have that pattern without the lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.